Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay, and we got kind of a boring market today, and maybe that's good. We got the VIX below 23, some consolidation happening as the market's closing in on all-time highs. Now, we're really looking for leadership in the next leg higher. I want to see that happen with the VIX going lower. If that does happen, I would be a lot more comfortable. Now, there's nothing magic about the number 20 in the VIX, but a lot of people say below that is a good sign for the market. Certainly for me, the VIX trending lower, that's a sign of some stability. And it's interesting to see it happen while the market is finding a new leadership. It's not happening in growth lately. It's happening in value. We're looking at the Russell. That's close to the all-time high. The NASDAQ, that's not quite at its all-time high. Now, it's not exactly like the NASDAQ is falling either. So certainly some stability in the market. And a boring day like today is probably good while these averages catch up to itself and the market kind of figures out what's going on with all of the news it's trying to digest. The bad news and the good news all coming through COVID. So obviously the vaccine news is good, and that's really what's been driving this market the past couple of weeks. So we'll see if that continues to play out before we get any more bad news with the cases rising in COVID. Under the surface, of course, we got, like I've been saying, the VIX now below 23. We got the futures now falling also. The VVIX actually still modestly high, 115, 114. People still expecting some movement. Like I've been saying, that could go both ways with the VIX. Now, given the fact that we are at the high end of the range in the market, I think the market should be just cautious that we could have a little bit of pullback as we continue to consolidate. So that might be a little bit of what that VVIX is looking at. And of course, the skew, middle of the range, people are just not necessarily paying up too much for these puts. Kind of we're just wait and see like the rest of the market. For Equity Armor Investments, I am Joe Tigay.